Hi guys, welcome to another Simple Invest video. Today we'll be talking about Japanese candlesticks, which obviously originated from a Japanese technical trader. So this is the typical Japanese candlesticks that we see on a lot of financial charts, and they just look like a typical candle with two wicks at the end. So the tick part of this, we'll call this the body of the candle, whereby the thin wicks here, we'll call this the shadows of the candle. So the candle can be an upwards candle or a downwards candle. For example, if you see in my charts here, white are actually downwards candle. That means it closed lower than the open. Whereby the black ones with the black body are upward shadows. That means it closed higher than the open price. Japanese candles are very commonly used in trading today and since a few decades ago since their invention, because just from single candle you can actually see a lot of financial information for that particular time period. For example, let's say this is a candle that closed above, that means it's an upwards candle. From here we can see the opening price, which is here. This is the closing price of that particular time period. And using the shadows, we can see the highest price of the time period and the lowest price of the time period. So the distance between the open and closing price would give the so-called how much move that the price made between the opening and closing time periods of this particular time period. So let's say, for example, this is a time period candle for a daily chart. As you can see, some of my charts behind are on the daily time frame. Let's say it's a daily chart. That means for yesterday, it opened at this price, it fluctuated down to this price, had a maximum highest price of here, and it closed at this price. And the following day, it was a down candle, so it opened at this price, fluctuated to the high of this price, fluctuated to a low of this price, and it closed the day at this price. Hence, Japanese candles, since it gives a lot of good financial information, they are very popular among traders and investors. And it's actually good if you get familiar with how they look and how you read their information.